Is celery juice good for you? Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. In today's video we're going to look at celery juice and explain why drinking celery juice regularly can offer many health benefits. Also keep watching until the end as we've got a great celery juice recipe for you. Celery juice is an excellent source of many nutrients including calcium, potassium, vitamins A, C and K. It's also rich in many other nutrients such as zinc, copper, folate, biotin, other B vitamins as well as numerous antioxidants. So nutritionally it's packed with goodness. But what health benefits does celery juice actually offer? Well, for starters, celery juice contains powerful antioxidants with cancer-fighting properties. And celery contains a flavonoid called apigenin, and this has been shown to kill cancer cells. And celery juice is also very hydrating since it is mainly water. And celery juice can also help heal and activate the gut by restoring hydrochloric acid. And this helps us digest things faster and more efficiently. Basically, if our stomach acid is low, the body has to use more resources to digest food. And this can leave us feeling tired and lethargic. Celery juice also replenishes depleted levels of gastric mucus in the stomach lining. This helps us to heal and prevent ulcers and acid reflux. And the benefits don't just stop there. Celery juice can also lower cholesterol, and it's a natural anti-inflammatory too. It contains polyacetylene which reduces chronic joint pain, gout and rheumatoid arthritis. And studies have also shown that celery juice helps lower high blood pressure by acting as a smooth muscle relaxant, which improves the flow of calcium and potassium in cells. And this allows blood vessels to expand and contract with greater ease. And guys, if you're liking this video, please smash that like button as it helps us out greatly. Thank you. Furthermore, studies have also shown that celery helps reduce a fat buildup in the liver. Basically, the nutrients in celery help the liver produce enzymes that flush fat and toxins out. And celery juice also helps improve digestion by increasing circulation in the intestines. Furthermore, celery juice also contains lutein, which can protect your skin from UV-induced damage. And did you know celery juice can also help boost your immunity? The compounds found in celery contain powerful antimicrobial properties, which fight infections and naturally boost immunity. And celery juice can also reduce uric acid and stimulates urine production. And this can help fight bacterial infections within the digestive tract. It can help prevent UTIs, bladder and kidney disorders. So when should you drink celery juice? Well, we suggest drinking a cup first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for best results. And how do you make celery juice? Now, obviously using a juicer is the easiest way to make celery juice. Simply wash 3 to 4 celery stalks and run them through the juicer. However, if you don't have a juicer, cut 3 to 4 washed celery stalks and blend them using a blender. And then strain them to extract all the juice. And to spice things up, why not also try adding apple, fresh ginger, lemon juice, or even cucumber to your drink. So as you can see, there are many health benefits from drinking celery juice. So we hope you found this information useful. Until next time, goodbye.